Hi, today I'm reviewing this Anran outdoor camera. It's really cool because it has a solar panel, so it's always going to hold its charge. We are going to mount it right on the corner of our garage here. That way we can see the front of the house at all times. So inside the box, it comes with all the hardware, the solar panel. That's how it hooks to the camera itself. The camera. USB cord. Some mounting stickers to help you get it level. And then all this is going to hook to an app. So we're going to get it hung up for you and then show you what the app looks like. So this plate is for the camera and this plate is for the solar panel. The camera snaps on just like that, and then you can move it to whatever angle you want. So to connect the solar panel, there's a plug right in the bottom of the camera. It's going to twist on. So here is what the complete mount looks like. It's ready to use and we hooked it up. After installation, which I'll show you in a second, here's what the camera looks like. You do have the ability to turn the camera and see different angles, all from your phone while it's connected to Wi-Fi. Now, here is another video on how to connect. This does allow you to hook it up to your Alexa devices in your house. The app itself is called Cloud Edge. Once it's enabled and linked, all you do is sign in with your account that you created through the app with email and password. Select your country. And then you're authorizing your devices to link to the camera as well. Then it will take you back, discover the device, enable its use, select your camera, and you're good to go.